So today we will be discussing the concept of total cost or cost of sales. The total cost or cost of sales is obtained when we add selling and distribution overheads to the total cost of production. Okay, thus this type of total cost is also termed as cost of sale. The formula for calculating the cost of sales is as follows. Total cost is nothing but cost of goods sold. We had discussed the cost of goods sold in problem number 5 plus selling and distribution overheads. So we'll take a short problem on total cost also. From the following information, calculate the total cost: direct material, direct labor, direct expenses, factory overheads, office and administration overheads, and selling and distribution overheads are given, and we need to find out the total cost. So make a format in your books. Format should consist of a particulars column and 2 amount column, and then we can start with the sum. The first entry is the entry for direct material, 1,60,000. So direct material is 1,60,000. Next is the direct labor for 52,000. So direct labor for 52,000. Next is direct expenses for 19,000. So direct expenses for 19,000. The total of all this will be prime cost, and it will be written as the total of these 3 amount, which will be 2,31,000. So this is the prime cost. To this prime cost we will add factory overheads, 45,000. So factory overheads 45,000. Once we add factory overheads, we will get factory cost. Factory cost is 2,76,000. Next is office and administration overhead. Okay, next what we add is office and administration overheads. Office and administration overheads. What is the amount of office and admin overhead? It's 28,000. Okay, so 28,000 will be added here, and we will get total cost. Okay, this can also be called, since there are no stock of finished goods, total cost can also be termed as cost of goods sold. Okay, we can call it total cost or cost of goods sold, and in that we will add selling and distribution overhead. Just a second, it won't be called total cost, it will be called as total cost of production, because total cost we are calculating here, total cost of production. Okay, this will be called as total cost of production or cost of goods sold. It is 3,04,000. And finally we will add selling and distribution expenses. How much is the selling and distribution expenses? It's 33,000. So 33,000 of selling and distribution expenses we will add it, and we will get the total cost. Okay, total cost. How much it comes? 3,04,000 plus 33,000. 3,37,000 is the total cost. And this brings us to the end of problem number 6.